All right, guys, you'll be seeing this announcement and the one below it, which I'm about to post. If you're having trouble thinking of a scene to kind of create on your project, go to like one of your favorite movies or your favorite TV show or something with action. Like I'm a big fan of Thor and the Avenger movies, and trying to recreate sort of a scene, right? Think about recreating a scene in one of the Avengers movies. And if you have a printer at home, it's going to make it a lot easier to kind of print one of these pictures out. And so you can cut out these characters and use them on your followers then to kind of stick on there the things you're going to animate or attempt to animate. Again, if you want to put a bunch of different scenes on there, that's going to kind of help you out and get things to interact. So just think of like a good scene, Star Wars, any good movies, even like TV shows and things like that are animated, obviously as long as it's appropriate. Make it kind of fun, make it personable to you, but try to avoid copying someone else's. Although I'm sure if you keep searching on the internet, it's going to be difficult to come up with something on your own. But just a piece of advice again, things that you can look for and kind of ideas to search that would give you something to think about. Anyways, hopefully that helps you out. And again, email me if you guys have questions, and stay healthy. See you soon.